Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fabulous today. My name is Tamra. For those who don't know me, I'm thrilled to have you on board with me. Whether you're a long-time viewer, you're just joining for the first time, you're now a part of the Triple TN's family. Please remember to like up the video, subscribe, share, and also comment. Guys, I'm excited to share with you how I make my Fenugreek deep conditioner for a healthy hair growth. This is a fantastic way to nourish and revitalize your hair, and it's so super easy to make. Let's dive into today's video. Using distilled water can benefit hair growth by eliminating build-up from hard water, which can leave hair dry, brittle, and difficult to manage, allowing for healthier hair follicles and potentially promoting better hair growth cycle. Moisturize, that's what Glycerin does. It's an humectant that draws moisture from the air and binds it to hair, keeping it smooth and hydrated. This can help prevent breakage and split ends and reduce frizz. Aloe Vera nourishes the hair. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which promote healthy cell growth. It also contains minerals like zinc and copper, which are important for hair growth. Here I have some Panthenol or Pro Vitamin B5. It's an active ingredient commonly used to formulate cosmetic products. Fenugreek is rich in protein and iron, which are essential for hair growth. It also contains plant compounds like flavonoid and saponins, which may have anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. This is some shea butter. Shea butter's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce irritation and promote a healthy scalp environment. A healthy scalp is essential for obtaining hair growth. So once you have measured out your water phase ingredients, it's time to combine them, okay? So this is the Panthenol, and what I'm going to do is to mix it out in the distilled water, Glycerin, and aloe vera juice. So you're going to mix well until everything is dissolved. So these are your conditioning agents that penetrates the strands to give you shine, slip, and a whole lot of softening properties. This is the oil phase. Once you have all your oil phase ingredients measured out, all you have to do is to combine them into a heat resistant container. You want to make sure your container is heat safe, because we're going to be placing this into a water bath and place it on the stove to melt down on low heat. One thing I forgot to do, guys, is to heat up the water phase, but nevertheless it still can work. Another way to make sure your product is stable and completely emulsified is to use an immersion blender. The immersion blender definitely helps to give you that high share that will allow your emulsified creation to stay together and to stay stable. So I make sure to blend this for a good 20 to 25 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that the product was completely blended in uniform. So guys, all the products that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box. Also, if you need products to purchase, please check the description box for the website to do your purchase. Also guys, if you are liking this video so far, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also remember to share and subscribe if you're new over here. This is my cool down phase, which will be my preservative, my vitamin E, my fragrance oil, and essential oils. So guys, before you get to the cool down phase, ensure that your mixture is cooled before you actually put in your preservative and essential oils. So guys, sit back, relax, and continue to enjoy the rest of this video. Going to be too waxy or too heavy. It's going to be lightweight. It's going to have the perfect consistency. It's super moisturizing, lightweight, and creamy. It's also going to give you everything that you're looking for. So guys, we have come to the end of another video. Hope you had enjoyed this one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you. Bye. Stay liquid.